What's going on, guys? Today we are going to, well, this will be the first time me recording it, but I have my SpoilerKing 380R little windshield, back window, spoiler thingamabob, my digger. So I had this on before and it started to come off, so I took it off, and now I guess I'm going to put it back on. I tried to paint it and it had some sort of reaction. So if you get one of these, take it to a shop and try to paint it, or just leave it raw like they send it. But first, to get this on, you want it to soften up. I'm gonna stick it on the back deck for about 30-40 minutes, let it get soft, and then we will get it stuck on the car. So we're just gonna take it and we're just gonna stick it right here in the rear deck. Alrighty, it's flexible. So now let's get the tape off the bottom and let's get it installed. Alright, so now that we got the end started, let's get it flipped over, let's get the edge lined up, and let's get it applied. Alright, so we're going to get the edge lined up all the way to the edge of the car. And we'll start pulling the tape. And there we go, we got it installed. The 380R is like the most aggressive one that they make for this car, and it's taller and longer than the other ones that they have. So if you want the most aggressive one, get the 380R. If not, they have, I think, 2 other ones that are a little bit lower profile. So get whichever one that you think will look best and work best for you. But that's all it is to it. Like I said, the biggest thing is making sure that the surface on the rear glass is clean as possible. If not, what happened to me last time may happen to you, where I'm just sitting here washing my car, I hit it, and then it started to break loose. And I guess poor preparation. Out the box, it comes like twisted, have it like wrapped up like a pretzel. So you have to sit it in the sun, let it soften up, flatten out. It becomes flexible where you can actually curve it around your back glass. So that's all it is to it, and hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope it gave you some insight on how to install it, and until next time.